What are you doing?
She's adding some oil. Okay.
Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another episode of
Different cuisine triggers.
Yeah. For the final time, it's here.
Is this the last one?
Yes.
Well, we're making a feast.
So good to last going. The chicken's gonna be in there for part 2, and that's part 1. Chicken in there.
More chicken.
And then we've got the noodles. And we've got all this stuff here as well. Ready to cook up last time. And guess what else we're doing today? Is it this one? Yeah.
Okay. We should.
What's that? Gingerbread-ass!
We're getting in the Christmas spirit.
Yes, we are. We didn't get one.
We got 2.
We got 2. And we've got some lollies to decorate.
It's gonna be fun.
Talking about lollies to decorate. From last week, yes,
Have a straps, just putting in the chicken.
yep. Okay, so chicken.
Thank you.
Yeah, spoon. Maybe some carrots in there. So just stop it. Wash and chop.
A carrot.
Yep. Don't need to peel it.
Do you want me to cut up that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some of these.
How do you want them, Rach? Like strips? Or dice? Dice. Diced carrot.
What are these?
See, they're chili.
Maybe no chili. I thought they were beans or something.
That's what I thought for a second, and then I could smell the spiciness.
I know, fruits and vegetables.
Oh, yeah.
If you have any. Yes, we do. We got that in there. How you do it? I take this. Go really well. already. I'm going to add carrots in there too. And onion. Vegetable for me. Stir it up. We can add in the salt. Add in the pepper. Adding some garlic. Bit of Chinese spice. And a bit of oregano. Good. Then spoon soy sauce. Veggies. These are the carrots. Let's see how the carrots do. How's it going?
Good. Just cutting up the last bit of carrots.
That's a lot of carrots.
This is 3 carrots. Give me the
3 carrots. Finally diced.
Yeah.
I said diced. I didn't say finally diced.
Smaller. Oh, the better.
I might get you a little bit later on for part 2.